Hello friends, today are see about strawberry benefits. Strawberry are bright red, juicy and sweet. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and magnesium and also contain decent amount of folate, vitamin B9 and potassium. Strawberries are very rich in antioxidants and plant compounds which maybe have benefits or heart health and blood sugar control. Usually consumed raw and fresh. These berries can also be used in a variety of jams, jellies and desserts. This circle tells you everything you need to know about strawberries. Nutrition facts. Strawberries mainly consist of water and carbohydrates. They contain only minor amounts of fat and protein. The nutrients in 3.5 ounces of raw strawberries are calories, water, protein, carbs, sugar, fiber, fat. Carbs. Fresh strawberries are very high in water, so their total carbs contain in very low, fewer than 8 grams of carbs per 3.5 ounce. The net digestible carbs contain in fewer than 6 grams in the same serving size. Most of these berries carbs come from simple sugars such as glucose, fructose and sucrose, but they also contain a decent amount of fiber. Strawberries have a glycemic index (GL) score of 40, which is relatively low. This means strawberries should not lead to big spikes in sugar blood levels and are considered safe for people with diabetes. Fiber. Fiber comprises around 26% of the carb content of strawberries. 3.5 ounce serving of strawberries provides 2 grams of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Dietary fibers are important to feed the friendly bacteria in our gut and improve digestive health. They are also useful for weight loss and help prevent many diseases. Vitamins and minerals. The most abundant vitamins and minerals in strawberries are vitamin C. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants necessary for immune and skin health. Magnesium. Frequently found in high amount in whole grains, legumes, fruits and vegetables. This trace element is important for many processes in your body. Folate, vitamin B9. One of the B vitamins. Folate is important for normal tissue growth and cell function and fundamental for pregnant women and older adults. Potassium. This mineral is involved in many essential body functions such as regulating blood pressure. To a lesser extent, strawberries also provide iron, copper, magnesium, phosphorus and vitamin B6 and K and E. Health benefits of strawberries. Eating strawberries is associated with a reduced risk of many chronic disease. Strawberries may improve heart, lower blood sugar levels and help prevent cancer. Heart health. Heart disease is the most common cause of death worldwide. Studies have found a relationship between berries or berry anthocyanins and improved heart health. Large observational studies is thousands of people like berry consumption to a lower risk of heart-related deaths. According to a study, is middle-aged people with well-established Risk factor of heart disease. Berries may improve HDL, good cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood vessels function. Strawberry may also improve blood antioxidant status, decrease oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, improve vascular function, improve your blood lipid profile, reduce the harmful oxidation of LDL, bad cholesterol. The effect of freeze-dried strawberry supplements on type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome have been studied instantly, mainly in overweight or obese individuals. After 4 to 12 weeks of supplementing, participants experienced a significant decrease in several major risk factors, including LDL, bad cholesterol, inflammatory markers, and oxidized LDL particles. Blood sugar regulation. When carbs are digested, your body breaks them down into simple sugars and releases them in your bloodstream. Your body starts secreting insulin, which tell your cells to pick up the sugar from your bloodstream and use it for fuel and storage. Imbalances in blood sugar relation and high sugar diets are associated with an increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Strawberries seem to slow down glucose and digestion and reduce spikes in both glucose and insulin following a carb-rich meal compared to a carb-rich meal without strawberries. The bottom line: strawberries are low in calories, delicious and healthy. There are a good sources of many vitamins and minerals, plant compounds, some of which have powerful health benefits. The health benefits include reduced cholesterol, blood pressure and inflammation and oxidative stress. Furthermore, these berries may help prevent big spikes in both blood sugar and insulin levels. Strawberries are an excellent addition to a healthy diet of our human body. You like this video, please subscribe the button. Thank you.